I want to know if this was your initial plan when you got into music, or it came about when you won the Grammy and when your application ended with the.
Look, for me, I always wanted to be a music executive. Being an artist and being a musician, like for me, being a singer, you know, I will hear someone as a comedy thousands can't sing. It's like for me, I think I'm a producer. If you can say Zakes can't produce, then as well. Like, but singing, I finesse, you know, my singing up, and people happen to love my singing, right?
That's
so
great.
that people that love my singing, maybe because most people have my tone. You know, like
what
most
are you
people
trying
are,
to say?
people are able to sing in my tone, you know. But over time, obviously, I got back. But for me, really, I got into this industry wanting to be a music executive. That's why I love going to school. That's why I went to school. You know? I mean, I'm. It's just it's a tough. It is a very tough qualification. So my last qualification, obviously, it's. I mean, I'm at Harvard right now, right? So I'm doing the business of entertainment, music, and sports.
Sure.
You know.